Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Home Trader Club. In this video, let's analyze the gold. Before we begin, big thanks to 8K Broker for supporting our community to enjoy all the amazing offers we have with 8K Broker, including the access to Home Trader Club, private mentoring sessions, the trading strategies, the live trading rooms and more. Please refer to the link below this video in the description. Lots of things were said about the gold, but here are some very interesting facts. The monthly chart, on the monthly chart, we can see the gold is right now flirting with clearly overbought conditions. Last time it happened was here, and we all remember a significant market reaction. So I believe later or sooner, especially with the improving inflation conditions, I believe the gold will follow the same path. On the weekly chart, also at the end of these three waves, we start to see some slowdown conditions building up, potentially also on the moving average, while the RSI is again on close to overbought conditions. On a daily chart, the RSI is also not far from overbought conditions. So the way I see that, the gold is around its peak. Very possible scenario, we will see some potential attempt to make maybe extra push or attempt for one more final run to complete this divergence before the trend line would be broken, before the divergence would complete and the correction will start and happen. So on the short term, I do think that we are possibly to see some corrections, but as long as the key supportive areas hold, very possible scenario, the gold will bounce from them and complete another peak, maybe two, until it will complete the divergence as we saw 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, and then look for the reversal signs. Once it flips and starts to make the lower lows, I believe that would be the door for the sellers. That's it for this video. I want to invite you to our trading family, the Home Trader Club, to enjoy all of our real-time trading opportunities and real-time trading education. Join us with the link below this video in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon with more good trading. Bye for now.